Hey, I am Veronica. Here I would like to introduce DevQAExpert's powerful tool, QAEverest. QAEverest is an AI-powered tool to generate manual test cases by providing the user story. It is very easy to generate test cases using QAEverest.ai. Go to Generate My Test Case and provide title, domain, and story. Select the type of testing and its subtypes too. Click on Generate Test Cases and wait until the AI artistry is in progress. QAEverest will provide all flavors of test cases with priority. See the magic? Multiple test cases are generated, and you can view an individual test case by clicking on the card. You can see that priority is also associated with each test case. Test cases are generated as per IEEE standards, and in most use Gherkin language. You can edit the steps just by downloading the entire generated test cases by clicking on the download button. You can import that Excel into your CI/CD tool. Hope you liked the video. Enjoy and level up your testing game. Start your free 7-day trial. Thank you for watching.